AMC stock analysis and price predictions for Tuesday. Is AMC Entertainment holding stock a buy? I'll be breaking this down in this very short and brief 1-minute video. Here's the thing, having done well over 45,000 videos and 5 years of experience, I have seen what's working for me and what is not, especially with AMC. Well, this is a solid, setup, well, where I would only really look to buy, like I mentioned, if the price gave me a break above 315. We're just 295, which is not that far away, but yeah, it's a solid kind of mitigation of the zone. This swing is only really still going to matter as long as we're sitting above 280, right? So I know it's a big range and whatnot, but that's at least how AMC is looking for me right now. Like it's not that I have anything against AMC, it's just that, at some given point now everything's supposed to be traded and you just have to wait. Welcome to trading. That's what trading feels like. I do have a bunch of receipts with AMC, by the way, of around 59 receipts there. And yeah, that's ultimately where we're sitting at. And unless I see that shift second time, I'll just go kick rocks and follow other tickers. It's not that you just be ultra focused on one given ticker and then trying to force trades there. I mean, please do whatever works for you. All I'm doing is just sticking to something that's worked for me in the past, and that I'll keep bettering and making better. So let me know what is your opinion, and if you want to stay tuned and want to get free stock picks, emails, and insights sent out to you daily for free, click the first link in the description. See you in the next